So this is some bonus video here on this Sunday. It's what time is it now? 2:42. Let's see, birds and the feeders. You can't see the webcam, it's up close. Nuts feeder, seed feeder. Another ball, balls up here. Blackbird, sparrow having some. Very busy, very busy. They're waiting. And then fed the others wait. Others wait up there. Their turn to have a go. And we go to the other side of the garden. Yes, the fat balls again. And there's a suit feeder at the back. See the suit feeder at the back there? That pink thing. Yes, they're having that. That's suit, strawberry flavour. I know about it yesterday. They love that tire too. And you see left a mark on the tire. You can see. Yeah. Let's go back. Let's see what's on the ground. Let's quick little video. Let's see. Yes, the star is enjoying their apples. And look at these, they eat like an egg. Oh, there's action going on here. This is being recorded above on the webcam from above, so you can watch that later on. And this will be at normal speed. Now do that 4 times the speed instead of editing. Now we finish up, we go back to the feeder and see what's happening. The nut feeder there. Oh, how busy is that? So busy. You hear the noise. So in here, just listen to the song. So they're waiting. Now we finish off back to this feeder and have a look. And there you have it. And back, last shot, the apple. Starting, how many apple? Oh, you ran away. Oh, they all ran away. And that's me. Hello. Close the window now. Peace.